Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best Halloween decor hunting available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 5 we have Goose 5FD Halloween Decor Hunting. Goose Halloween Frankenstein Monster come with LED lights built inside. The Frankenstein monster made children's love at first sight. Beside Halloween it can be used as any other holiday decoration. At number 4 we have Wencase Halloween Decor Hunting. This Halloween garden decoration is designed in 3 black cat poses. Also including hunting cats, sitting cats and hunting cats. You can create a festive atmosphere for your Halloween, very suitable for holiday decoration. At number 3 we have Goose Halloween Decor Hunting. Goose Halloween Inflatable Ghost by the Pumpkin come with LED lights built inside. The Ghost by the Pumpkin with top hat made children's love at first sight. Beside Halloween, it can be used as any other holiday decoration. At number 2 we have Goose 5FD Halloween Decor Hunting. The Hunting Ghost made children's love at first sight. The Hunting Ghost Inflatable is made of high-strength waterproof polyester, which is against drips and tears. The excellent stitching improves the durability of the inflatable decoration. At number 1 we have Halloween Decor Hunting. This fantastic 2.6 feet high 4.2 feet wide inflatable ghost will make your yard outstanding around neighbors and add a happy ambience. It is easy to inflate and deflate the ghost in minutes just to plug in and out the power plug. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best Halloween decor hunting for your need.